Hi everyone, this is Dale Pinker with ForexStopHunters.com with our weekly stop hunt review. I want to remind everyone that only risk capital should be used when trading high-risk markets such as FX, futures, options, other derivatives, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Let's start off with the US dollar CAD. We have buy stops over this high. Because Canada did make new lows for the move and much of the sell stops have been elected, vultures took care of the business to the downside. Many more stop hunts to the upside. So we have buy stops over this high, 9743. Again, over this pivot, 9752. And then you go up to this pivot and you're looking at 9770. And then we have to go a bit longer term, would be above this high right here of 9959, which was a recent rally high before the sell-off to new lows. As far as sell stops, there aren't as many. Probably under Friday's low, which was 9699, and then the low of the move 9681. Moving over to Euro, we took care of much of the business to the upside in Euro. So not many buy stops. You really have to go quite a bit back in time to find it, and we're probably talking about until we get some type of correction that your buy stops are going to be over the November high, and that is 14282. As far as sell stops, there should be plenty underneath this market. We're going to have some sell stops here at 142. That was at 13940. And then we're going to have some more sell stops under this low at 138.34. Then you have to go to this low, 137.42. And then you have to go all the way back to this high of 137.10 for additional sell stops. Moving over to cable, we have a similar story here in cable as stop hunts to the upside were completed above the 163 level. So when you're looking at buy stops in cable, you're looking above these highs, 163.05 right here. And then again over the high of the move, 163.43, which could happen. We get one more push up to have three drives to a top, and we will have divergence and a non-confirmation there. So looking at sell stops, of course, you can have some sell stops under here at the 162.34 level, and you're going to have more sell stops under 162.13 under these lows, and then you have to go all the way back down to 167.60-70 for the additional sell stops in cable. Moving over to USD yen, we had a stop hunt that took out some significant lows before the turn. So as far as yen is concerned, we had a very dramatic rally off that low. You have your buy stops over the high that we posted on Friday above 83.08, and then your sell stop, not as many stop hunts left here, would be under 81.56, where they cleaned out the stops before this advance. Similar story in USD Swiss. You have your buy stops over 93.30. That's a recovery high from the low that we had on Wednesday. And you're going to have your sell stops under that recovery low of 9199, which were new lows for the move. Moving over to Aussie. We're going to have some stop hunts over this high, 101.89 right here. Additional stop hunt is going to take place over this high, 102.02, which was accomplished something, and then we have to go all the way out to the daily to 102.55 for the final stop hunt. And underneath, as far as sell stops are concerned, on Aussie, basically you're going to have a sell stop under the low that was posted on the NFP number, and that was par 74. So this is Dale Pinkert with our weekly stop hunt review. Good hunting next week. Signing out.